Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Nur Ain Amani binti Sumazali. Today I'd like to share my experience working on our group assignment based on the topic integrating HRS in HR operation, which we personally chose. One of the highlights was getting the chance to liaise with Assistant HR Manager from DARBY BERHAD, a well-known multinational company involved in industrial, motor, healthcare and logistics. With such a large and diverse workforce, they deal with complex HR challenges, so they were the perfect real-life example for our topic. I was fortunate because the person I interviewed is actually someone I personally know, and she kindly agreed to help. My mentor was preparing the questionnaire and communicating with her to gain insight on how DARBY uses Workday HCM in their HR operation. Despite her busy schedule, she shared valuable input that helped us understand how HRS improve efficiency, reduce manual work, and support overall business goals. This experience also helped me improve my communication skill. Overall, it was meaningful and rewarding experience, and thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Adam Hafiz bin Rozi. So today I want to share about what I learned from an interview with Miss Akida, who is Assistant Manager in Human Resource at SIME DARBY BERHAD. So SIME DARBY started using their HR system called Workday in September 2021. So they wanted to change from old slow system to a new one that is faster and easier to use. So Miss Akida said that HRIS help make HR work more organized, faster and also smarter. It's helped team to make a better decision and also give employees a better experience. So now HRIS is used to manage many things like a payroll, hiring, training, performance and also time management. Before HR team had to do many things by hand. Now with HRIS, many tasks are automatic. This saves times and reduce mistake. So the company also train their staff and use strong communication to help everyone understand the new systems. Because of HRIS, HR staff now focus more on planning and improving the company, not just a paperwork. So the system they use is called a Workday HCM. It has smart tools that can use AI to give reports and also checks employee skills and with planning. But there was some problem, which is some employees did not want to change. Moving all data to new system was very hard for them. People from different countries and age group reacted differently to new systems. So to fix this, SIME DARBY give training, listen to feedback and work step by step to make change smooth. So in a conclusion, I think SIME DARBY use HRIS to make their human resource work better, faster and smarter. That is good for them. So I think thank you for listening my part. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Afifah binti Nursia. Today I would like to present about my experience, challenge and what I also learned about this assignment. While completing this assignment, my experience a mix of excitement and challenge. It was interesting to explore the topic in depth and apply what I learned in class to the real world situations. However, there were also some difficulties, especially in understanding certain concepts and finding reliable information. One of the main challenges was managing my time effectively, especially when doing research and organizing the content, and also the challenging part was to understand the technical terms such as data integrations, system functionalities, and technology integrations. I had to do the extra research, especially on how SIME DARBY used tools like Workday, HCM, and SAP to manage its human resource and data system. Despite these difficulties, the process helped me improve my understanding of real-world business strategies. I also learned how SIME DARBY focuses on efficiency, user experience, and strategy impact in its system planning. This assignment taught me the importance of aligning technology with business goals and how digital system can enhance decision making in large organizations. Overall, this assignment helped me gain more confidence in my abilities and remind me of the importance of critical thinking and proper planning. It was a valuable learning experience. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatma Azahra binti Muhammad Hafizullah Amin. For this assignment, I study how DARBY BERHAD use the PLOC framework to introduce their human resource information system that include planning, organizing, leading and controlling. At first, it a bit challenging to read everything for those 4 parts. But once I understand the structure, it's become clear and easy to explain. My main task was to analyze the case and summarize how the company planning the system, organizing the team, involve leaderships, and use feedback to improve it. I also give a big thanks to my group mate because we always sharing idea, giving feedback and helping to each other. It made a group work smooth and enjoy. For this assignment, I learned the value of leadership, teamwork and clear information, not just in group but in group project too. Thank you.
Hi doctor, my name is Shakti Ravi. I'm going to share my experience of completing my group assignment. In this section, I explored SIME DARBY's BERHAD implementation of Workday Human Capital Management. And I have to say, working on this assignment was a mix of both challenge and discovery. At first, I honestly felt a bit overwhelmed. HR technology isn't something I was very familiar with, and understanding how a multinational company handles digital transformation across so many countries seems complex. But as I read more about SIME DARBY's approach, I actually started to enjoy the research. It's opened my eyes how the powerful system like Workday can be, especially how it streamlined over 100 HR processes and gave employees better access to their own data even on mobile. What stood out to me personally was how this kind of technology empowers employees and helps managers make a real-time data-driven decision, something I never thought HR system could do. But I also realized it's not just about the technology. It could relate to the idea of resistance to change. Even in my own life, switching to new system or tools takes time and it can feel uncomfortable. I also saw how managing different laws and cultures across countries at a whole other level of complexity. Overall, I have learned that HR technology isn't just about efficiency, it's about people. This assignment taught me the importance of planning, communication, and empathy during the change. It challenged me to think beyond theory and looked at the real world impact on both the business and its employees.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nurfatini Zatim Hizam. My matrix number is 0624103443. What did I learn from this assignment? I learned more about Human Resource Information System, known as HRS, which is a software used by the organization to manage and streamline their various human resource functions and processes, just like employee information and payroll. I also know that HR is commonly used by all companies in Malaysia, just like the company that we interview. SIME DARBY has been used since September 2021. For this assignment, I did a common challenges when implementing HRIS. One big issue is resistance to change, so I suggested using context change model to manage it, mainly by creating urgency and getting employees involved early. I also talk about the problems with data quality and system integration. If the data isn't accurate or connected properly, HRIS won't work well. That's why I recommended setting clear data rules and using the right tools. I also propose using a real-time feedback like polls or surveys so HR can keep improving the system. Lastly, I explain how HRIS can help HR play a more strategic role by using data to plan talent and support our business goals.